Well, good morning. Nice Saturday morning. We're just working on the combine some more. I replaced the feeder house bearings. On the other side, it was completely gone. And that was a matter of you take this pulley off and then these two come together. Pull a feeder house. Skid steer works really good for that. Change the bearings, put it back on. And now what we're doing, or what I'm doing, is I'm replacing the beater belt. As I plugged the beater in peas and smoked it so it's glazed and it's slipping a bit. So we got a new belt. We'll slap that in there yet. Up there on the beater. It really needs a double V belt drive. The single belt does not transmit enough power. But we'll do that, and then we'll also have to move the beater grate back into the up position to go back into cereals. I dropped it so that peas would flow through a little better. And then the combine will be ready to go again, minus just getting correct bearing for the end of the drive shaft here, because this one is, the bearing's not really gone, but it's so loose in the flangettes that it's vibrating and stuff a lot more than it should. And what I got yesterday in the city for parts isn't right, so we'll get that probably Monday, and then we can be back to combining. But today I'll still be busy, got some baling to do, and might even haul some bales yet. But yeah, we'll get this belt in and go from there. The life of working on this combine. Belt tensioners. Good gravy. You gotta ratchet all day long. Always got a pods for some pets, huh? Mustard extra. Alright, so new beater belt's all in. It's all buttoned back up. Next thing to do will be to raise the beater grate back up, which I'll need some help with, because you got to be on the inside of the combine and then one person on the outside for those two bolts. And then, I'm not sure if you can see the beater grate. You just take it out of one hole and you put it in the other and you raise it back up. That way for cereals it's gonna thresh a little bit more. In the meantime, then we'll clean up tools. Alright, so now what we're doing is we're going to go bale a little bit of wheat straw. We had a custom order for 14 loads of small square straw, and so we know a guy a little closer to where the guy needs a straw that was able to drop straw for us there. That way it's a shorter haul, and so my dad has basically done all of that, all the baling and hauling, and he is now finally done. And well, might have to make a few more. He's going to bring a load home yet, but yeah. So then I'm going to go and bale up what is left there, and then I might actually be done baling for the year, because I don't know if I'm going to bale any more of my own cereal straw. Find out. There's the last of the bales he's made so far. Have to see if the guy that we're baling the straw on sounded like he wanted a few more bales, but Dad just has to try and get that guy on the phone if he wants to come to the field and grab them, or if Dad should just run them to the field, and then Dad might make a load worth to bring home yet. And then I just stopped because the net wrap isn't going right to the edge, so I gotta, well, I'm not sure exactly why checked the system, and all the rollers seem clear of debris and stuff like that, so I re-threaded it in. So we will find out if it's going to work now. Hopefully. Always, because that's a pain in the butt and it's ugly. So. Well, that's a little bit better. I think what might be happening is the roller for the net wrap that has like little augers on it, keeps it spread to the edges. I think that is just built up with chaff and plastic on the ends, and it's not spinning freely enough. I'm thinking that's what's happening, but I don't have any Allen wrenches at the field here with me. So we'll see if it keeps doing this, and I might have to run home for some tools, take that roller out, clean it out, put it back in. Well, we've almost got this cased. Just got to see how many bales Dad has. He's trying to make one load worth, 104, and then last couple of rows all round bale. Kind of a mess. Oh well, good enough to pick and haul. Might be actually because the straw's too dry. That's what a friend thinks. Which it could be. It is bone dry. But hopefully we can almost get this done right away here. And then Dad'll pick and haul a load of squares home. Taking everything home. Dad's already on his way with a load of squares. Now that's a rig setup, eh? Well, home now. And I guess this ends the video. Hopefully Monday I'll be combining.